Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have the recipe for you for tortillas, flatbread, roti, whatever you want to call it and whatever use you have for it. But these tortillas, these rotis are almost zero carb, as well as they've turned out amazing in taste. Really close to low carb mission wraps. Let me show you what it looks like. I didn't make it into a perfect circle, but see that. They are absolutely amazing. No psyllium husk in it and no excessive chewy texture. So we're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking. So let's begin. We take a blender and add 1 cup of almond flour and 1 cup of hot water. Give it a good blend. And now we add in 1 cup of room temperature water. Blend again and it'll be a nice liquidy mixture. Now put it into a nut bag or a muslin cloth and squeeze, 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 and squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Here you have fresh almond milk. That's an added bonus. Now, whatever is left in the nut bag, put it into a mixing bowl. You're left with basically fiber, no fat, nothing. 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum to it, half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of salt to it, and knead it well. Knead it, and allow it to rest for about 10 minutes. It'll become a lovely smooth dough. Now I'm breaking this into 2 parts, and that is because I'm making huge tortillas with it. If you want smaller ones, you'll get out 4 out of this dough, and roll it out really, really thin. If it breaks up anywhere, just fix it just the way I'm doing. And don't lift it off the parchment paper. Now I've taken a tawa or a pan and I've lightly greased it with ghee. And along with the parchment paper, you slap it over the tawa. After about 30 seconds to 1 minute, pull off the parchment paper. Flip it over and cook it for another 30 seconds to 1 minute. Now, this is an amazing technique to get that typical black bits on the tortillas. So here are your tortillas. Thanks.